You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is q equal or smaller than 1. Let's solve it step by step. Group all q terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 4q from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the q. Divide both sides by -2. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is q equal or smaller than 1.